What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just picked myself up a Maxx. This video is about some odd design elements that I've been picking out after going over the truck and running it for a little bit, and I just wanted to share a couple of these possible win or fail design elements I'm going to highlight in this video. Design element number one, the cush drive setup. The cush drive consists of a large plastic polymer gear and cush assembly, metal idler gear, a main shaft, plus 2 bearings. It absorbs the driveline shock between the pinion and spur gears. Because the cush drive is made to absorb shock, it's going to flex. It's going to flex shock from the motor spinning one way to another, jumping, hitting the trigger when you land on a jump, all that kind of stuff. But it's made to give and flex. So therefore, there is a little bit of torque loss there. Now, they say it's instant acceleration, instant speed, but I imagine sometimes that's not the case if the cush drive is actually doing what it's supposed to do and give and flex. It may extend the durability, or it may just be some parts in there, some extra parts that are going to break just as easily as anything else. Next is the Maxx wheels. Maxx comes with the 2.8 wheels with the 17 millimeter hexes. Overall, the wheel diameter is a 5.5 inch dual diameter tire. The weird element on the wheel is the bushing Traxxas uses to make the 17 millimeter wheel fit the 5 millimeter shaft and nut, instead of a 17 millimeter nut like a typical any other 17 millimeter tire would have. Next is the servo. It's a one-off. It's bigger than a typical servo is, so when it breaks, you have to either buy the servo from Traxxas, the bigger size servo, which is made for the X Max and the Maxx, or you get like the high torque 400 from them, or any other servo normal sized, and you buy an adapter plate, which they sell, so you can use the smaller servo. Another thing with the servo is it comes with all plastic gears inside, and it comes with a weird spline count on the servo horn too. Next up, the battery tray. This one's definitely weird. I do like the idea behind the clamping bar to hold your battery down as opposed to Velcro straps. I haven't experimented with it. I don't know if it pops real easily when jumping and stuff, like the body likes to pop off when you jump hard, which I've had that happen to me too. So I like the idea of the clamp down bar that locks in. It's real nice and easy. But the execution of it on this is a little peculiar because you can't just fit even a typical, size 6200 milliamp 4S battery. It just doesn't fit, because there is 4S batteries and 3S batteries that do fit in there. The ones I have don't fit. The other part of the battery tray is the actual tray itself. The tray is tapered, and a typical hard case 6200 Ovonics 4S 6200 milliamp hour battery doesn't fit all the way down. It won't bottom out in the tray, and that's fine. You can put some foam in there, some padding down in there, some contact padding, you know what I mean, and get it up. And you want some cushion in there anyway. It's nice to have. So now the battery is up in the tray, and that's okay because it hasn't moved or done anything yet. But now you added another, 10 millimeters of height and weight up higher in the truck. It makes the center of gravity even higher, adding just a little bit to traction rolling on grass, etc. With all that being said, the truck has a lot more wins than fails, and overall, I'm happy with the Maxx. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.